Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the price of gold, what we have seen that the gold is currently trading at around $17.76. Okay, and now one thing you have to understand that the gold, we can see a swing at this particular level. Okay, and the first thing we have seen at this particular level which made a high of around 2070. Okay, and this is in the March 2022. Okay, after that what we have seen a continuous downfall. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that there is a U pattern forming. Okay, and this level is already being tested here twice. $2070 is the resistance which is already being tested here, and after that it has made a sharp fall. Okay, and it is trying to move upside. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, it is trying to move upside. Okay, if this level sustain upside, we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of next around. If it goes above a level of 1850, then we can see a probability of going further upside, or if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further low. Okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding gold, silver or any other commodities, forex, stocks, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you will understand how this works, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now the price is currently trading at around $1777. Okay, we have seen a swing which shows that there is a high probability of going further down. Okay, but overall if you look, one thing I have clearly stated you that if the price comes close to around 1682, keep this in mind, and if the price goes above a level of 1840 or 1845 to 1850, then we can see an uptrend can start for gold. Or if the price comes below a level of 1700, then there is a higher probability if it comes close to this particular level, we can see it can fall further low and a sharp fall we can see. Keep this in mind. Okay, and this is not what I'm telling you is 100%. You have to apply your own brain, and this is just an informational purpose what I'm telling you. Okay, so now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1772, and this particular level is a weak support, so probability is very high we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1768. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1758. Okay, and if that level goes down, then we can see it can touch a level of $1746. Okay, and once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1740. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1722. Okay, and suppose the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1717, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1711. Okay, once the price comes to around 1711, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1706. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $1693. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1681. So keep this in mind. Once the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can touch this particular level, and this is again a weak support, so probability is high we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of around $1658. Okay, and from there we can see it can fall further low. If the price comes close to 1680 or 1658, I'll make another video explaining where it can go, or you can check my monthly video explaining how it can move further down. Okay, so now suppose if this particular level sustain, which is trading at around 1776.5. Okay, so now and I've explained you that if the price, we cannot see a price can move further upside or downside sharply. Sharp is very, see where we can see a sharp upside or downside when there is a pandemic situation or something big news is coming like war and all, then only we can see a sharp rise. Otherwise what we will see, there is a movement, a range movement, then it will go upside and again it will move, and the same way it will halt, go down and then halt for some time, then it will come down the same way. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain, Okay, and if you are looking for a long term investment or for gold 20 years, then it's a good thing you can. What people do is what they do is when they see a huge of volatility, they try to come and try to invest in all these golds and commodities. Okay, because these gold is not that much of volatile as compared to other things. Okay, so we have seen a shift. If there is a high volatility in the stock market, they try to invest in the gold. Okay, and see now, suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1783, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $1789. Okay, and this $1789 is again a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $1796, and $1796 is again a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can touch a level of $1798, and this particular resistance is again a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further high towards a level of $1808. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of $1783, and if sustained, keep this in mind, if sustained, we can see it can go and touch a level of around $1787 and $1787, okay, 0.99. Then if that sustain, which is a higher probability, it can go further upside and can touch a level of $1809 and $1808, and from there we can see a probability of touching $1816 is very high, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around 1830. Okay, once the price goes above 1830, then we can see a trend for gold will change and we can see it can go further upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and I have already explained you that there is a high probability if sustain above around 1783, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1803, and from there we can see a level of 1816. Once the price goes above 1816, then we can see a level of 1830, and if the price sustain above 1830, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1840, and then further high we can see in the price of gold. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm making short videos so you can watch it full. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.